Gladys.
My name is Cassandra.
My name is Elijah.
We are a Sour Candy Challenge.
So here's
On the round one.
on the round one.
The round one is Cassandra first. Oh, yeah! Oh, I don't know. 5,
No, no,
4, 3, 1. Great. Now
My
your turn. Okay, my turn. Please hold it.
Yummy flavor. But it's so sour.
On the round 2. Joking. So,
Round 2 is first Elijah. Great. Second, me.
Buksan ko na yung salaw. Hanggang
Not
now,
sour.
6 na
That's
to.
not sour. It's very sweet. Very, very sweet.
But you're getting a coffee.
Okay. A turn is. Okay. Okay.
Now for
Round
the
3. I'm a first.
Ako na yung first, diba?
First, me turn.
First.
Dapat na, sunod tayo.
Ako yung sunod kasi ako yung first.
Very sweet. Very sweet. Turn is Cassandra.
Hello! Di paano ko nakakano?
Hindi siya. Sunod din ako sunod. Pagkatapos siya first, second siya. Pagkatapos ko first. Okay, great. Your turn. Very, very good. Yeah, it's great. From round 4 is first Cassandra.
Uy, ako na yung gitna. Dito na kita ko yung ano.
Hindi mo ako makita-kita dyan. Kayo lang dalawa.
Nakikita ka.
pag kumain ka ng candy,
Ako nga, hindi ako kita. Tingnan mo. Great. You turn, Elijah.
bakita ka pag nagtutok sa'yo. Pag hanggang ano tayo, pag naubos ang
Uy,
candy,
wala
dalawa
yung
naman.
Tagalog.
Wait, Tagalog ka.
Siyempre, sinabihan ko lang siya.
Okay, great. My turn.
Lado na lang candy ko. Ilan na lang candy mo?
Siyempre, dalawa. From round 4 is first Elijah. Ay, sorry. Round 5.
Ano yung host na yan?
So nice. But this host, it's changing her brain.
It's my
I will get
Turn.
her brain to change.
Hi, Kylie.
So yum.
So very delicious, like me.
You're not a
Turn.
You're a bitter. Alam mo ang pasabihan.
Great. Now around 6.